am. The I mean j am jam. Again j am jam. Twice j am jam. Here's jam. Jam we use the jam to put on our sandwich. Hi guys, today we're gonna learn vowel A. So A sound m am. Again m am. Twice m am. Just one more and we will learn m am. Okay, we can learn now. So words family. Let's start. M am, her am, ham. Here's a ham. It's meat, but it's not meat. But it's ham. It's called ham. So her am ham, just twice. Her am ham, another one, and we will go to the second one. Her am ham. Okay. Am, am, the. So these on the and plus with am, the, and them. Here's the picture of them. The dam, you guys might know, the dam keeps the water inside, but it's not a bridge. It's where we keep the water in it. Okay, let's read it. The and them. Just one more. The and them. Okay. Let's go to the third one. Am. The I mean j am jam. Again j am jam. Twice j am jam. Here's jam. Jam we use the jam to put on our sandwich, like our lunch, anything. Here j am jam. Twice j am jam. Okay, let's go to the another one. M am, her am ham. So m. This is where the m, right, guys? M sound m. You guys know I tell you So m when we plus it together, we call hammer. Here, a hammer. When I read it, you can see the picture. The picture hammer. Do you guys know what we use the hammer for? We use the hammer for to build our house, or we can use it for to build anything. Okay, another one. G. M am g. G sound g. Am game. Here game. This is a girl playing a game. Game is like when you play some game in our anything in our, not everything, but in our computer or our phone and our tablet. Okay, so let's say twice. G am game. One more. G am game. Okay. M am. L am lamp. P lamp. You guys know lamp. Lamp is right here. But lamp is for when you don't see anything, right? When you close, like the police use it to put it on the prisoner and show it what it is. So am lamp. Twice. Am lamp. Lamp. Am lamp. Lamp. It's done now. You guys can go back to sleep, but this is night. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button. The next time my sister will teach you how to learn app. Here, app. Again, app. Apple. Okay, we are done. Let me put this out. Woo.